Welcome to another Photoshop video. In this video, we're going to look at how to create glitch text. So we're going to use this text here. First thing I want to do is tell you about quiet mode though. So quiet mode is a really cool mode that enables you to disable a bunch of stuff that is incredibly annoying in the Photoshop. So you may have noticed, especially if you're going from older versions, as you've got into newer versions of Photoshop, there's been increasing amounts of crap that comes up all the time, right? Big video descriptions. And here, so this is what, so basically the rich tooltips, brief tool descriptions with video demonstrations, never going to use those, just get in the way. What's new, pretty useless. You can just literally just look that up if you're interested in a new version each year. And then, so there's a lot of stuff. So if you just do quiet mode, it gets rid of all this crap. Show text only tool labels when hovering over the tools. Yeah, I mean, that's all I want, right? That's all we want, right? We want to just see what the text, this isn't intrusive, telling you what the actual text is, the tool tip is. But a lot of stuff like this light bulb was just constantly glowing, regardless of what I did, and it gets rid of that. So maybe if you're having that specific issue, it might help you on that.